Okay, we'll do another video. We'll look at the electrical systems in the caravan.
Hello!
It's
Bye
crazy,
bye.
Ava. Goodbye, Ave. So the electrical systems on the caravan, we've done a 240 volt system, a 12 volt system, and then just a caravan trailer system for the lights on the trailer and everything. So we've put some new electrical inputs into the side there, so that's for the 240 volts system. It's a bit hard to show you because all the walls are in now, but we'll talk you through it. So that's where it comes in on the other side of the caravan. There's your safety switch, and it comes down, and it's basically just a ring. It's got about 5 or 6 240 volt sockets on it. I've got one coming down here into there, and then it just goes around the caravan. There's one on the outside there, and then there's a couple in the kitchen part, and then one underneath there. 240 volts, you need an electrician to do it all, and all the sockets have to be double pole switching for safety. Yeah, 240 electrician has to do it. So the wires going through the aluminium frame all just have to have rubber grommets on it. I've got an outside one, which is an IP65 filter rated. So that's the 240 volt system. Then we've got a 12 volt system, which is to run the lights in the caravan, and at each bunk bed we've got a light switch and a USB charger for iPhones and stuff. So both, we've got 2 girls, so we've got one of those each. And then around the caravan there's a few more USB sockets. There's one outside as well, a waterproof one. So yeah, the 12 volt system is an AGM battery, 130 amps. Everything in the caravan, so we've got a fan as well up there, 12 volt fan, 12 volt lights, 12 volt pump for the water tank. It all goes through a fuse box, and I've got an isolator switch as well to switch it off when we're not using it. Also in here I've got a C-check charger, which is going to trickle charge the battery, which runs off the 240 volts. So when you plug into 240 volts, the battery charger will trickle charge the battery. The fan, you're going to need that. We're in Queensland, so we didn't fit air conditioning, not yet. Start with this Rocco fan, and then under here I've just got a water pump, 12 volt water pump, to suck the water out of the water tank and then put it into the tap. Do a plumbing video another time. And then the trailer wiring, so all the wiring is brand new. We pulled everything out and started again. The trailer wiring was all new. I just bought some 7-core cable. My car's got the small 7-pin round plug on it, so that's what I put onto the caravan. And that was run. So that's to all the lights, the electric brakes, the clearance lights. There's a 12 volt light there as well. Yeah, and then the rear lights. So that's the caravan trailer light system, which is all new as well. And that's it. Hopefully that's helped somebody. Cheers.